We rolling?
Yep, rolling.
Everybody, we have a rare opportunity here. I'm gonna have to grab the camera and show you. I got Tom holding the camera today. Amanda's, she shot out of here, so we're on our own. 26, so this is July 26th of 2023. We got one more day that we were gonna take in 15 days to sell this RJO behind me. Tom, let's walk around and look at it a little bit. This is an RJO. This is a 8x16 complete tiny home for $15,000. Is this just not nuts? Our phones have been ringing off the hook in emails and texting for the last 14 days. We've got 120 contracts, and I spoke a day or so ago about that situation. So our goal was to reach 100 people that would want a $15,000 home, and I'm going to take you inside and show you this thing. Well, what's happened is we've only had 30 people pay, and that's fine. I believe all of them will come through. I know a lot of people signed contracts in the past that will not come through with buying them, but not when it comes to a $15,000 house. This is an amazing deal. So all we're doing is we're only offering this at certain times of the year that we can build these. We're actually going to take the whole month of October and build these homes, 100 homes. And we're all gearing up for it. The guys are gearing up for it. We're actually ordering all the trailers and materials, the raw materials. Everything's being shipped in. We're clearing out our lot to be able to occupy all the raw materials. So how we're going to handle this is the first 100 that pay, right? You will get your home in October. When we get to that 100, then I think what's going to go on is we're going to continue this. We're going to see what happens tomorrow if it slows down. But if we get over that 100, the next people that will go into January build. So we'll build these in October, that whole month. Then we're going to go back to building our Incrediboxes and our cottages and 2.0s and all that stuff for November and December. And then January, we'll take that month, and then we'll possibly offer one more month of building these. We need to build 100 every time we do it to make it justifiable. As you can see, putting $15,000 out for a house, there's not a whole lot in it for us, but man, it is cash flow, it is marketing, it's crazy. People start talking about it, $15,000 house. So if you're wanting one, please call today. Now, you just don't call, but if you want your house in October, pay for it now, and you'll be registered for one of the 100 in October. If we get your money and it's 100, we're going to have to throw you into January. Does that make sense? Now, tomorrow I'll come back and show you a little bit about what our real numbers are, how many people have paid in here. And listen, we'll wait for you. We know that you've got to get 401ks and talk to James. Annuity, did he say? He had to cash in annuity from where he was working before. So it takes some time. Totally understand that. So just give us a call. Let us know what you guys are working on, and we'll work with you. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you another time of this RJO. Just as you see it right here, $15,000. These are made out of our insulated door panels that we build all our Incrediboxes out of. That's almost 2 inches thick, polyurethane closed cell, super insulated. And because of the gable roof, the snow load, you know what? It's going to surpass the Incredibox just because of the architectural gable roof. It sheds the snow, sheds the weight, and all the weight's transferred differently. Instead of just being on a flat roof, it's like this. So the weight is transferred to the outside walls, right? So it's a vertical drop. Sorry about that. Let me go around here. All the windows you see come with this house. The little pitch roof up here, right? And then the Mac Daddy back here is we're offering this special. This is a $15,000 house. We're offering this bay window here. I'm gonna wait for Tom to get around. We're offering this bay window and this mini split for $5,000. So if you want this house right here, minus the solar we got on here, it's $20,000. Just $20,000. Now, so let us know, $20,000, you have a mini split, which is heating and cooling, and the picture window, and an 8x16. Great Airbnb, great for in the backyard. Even if you don't need it, I'd suggest buying it. You can turn around and sell it. You can paint it, doll it up a little bit, put some flower boxes and shutters on it. It's a tiny home. You guys are gonna you're gonna make some money if you wanted to turn and sell it. People are putting these in RV lots to store them just because, hey, I can't go wrong buying this thing for 15. I was looking at actually an RV. You believe that? I was looking at an RV go in the back of a truck. And do you know they can they can get up to like $70,000. It's just 16 foot and it fits in the back of the bed of a truck. Here we got a complete home, and if you want this off-grid, we have a $7,500 off-grid. That's with a 5K lithium, 3K inverter charge controller, and 4 panels. It's normally $7,500. We're selling it for $7,000, $500 off. So if you wanted to go with this right here for $27,000, you can buy this house right here with the solar, bay window, mini split, and I'd suggest what, Tom, with the solar?
Extra battery.
Got it. Extra battery. You got to throw the extra battery.
With that mini split.
Yeah, $1,800. Throw you another lithium battery in that sucker, and now you guys are. Matter of fact, we did that one beast for the guy, and he put 6 lithium batteries in it. He was out in the wilderness for 2 weeks, and they never dropped less than what you said, half.
Yeah, half, 3/4. We'll have that video out.
Yeah, and we've got that video. A good friend of ours who bought the Beast, and that's the Incredibeast. And man, it was off grid. They went from Canada for about 2 weeks on the bike trail, the Continental Divide bike trail, and we got a beautiful video he shared with us. So we'll be bringing it out. But get you some extra batteries on this thing right here, 8x16. This is not the Incredibox. This is the RJO, which is a Randy Jones original, and I love it. It's on a trailer. It's got dual axles, 3,500 pound axles. The house weighs a little less. We got to get it weighed, but I know by adding these panels up, they're 17 pounds a piece, right? And I think there's 50 of them on here on the house. Then the trailer and all the amenities inside. We're thinking you're under 5,000 pounds. We're actually going to go get this one weighed, and we'll give you a scale. Yeah. Let's jump inside, Tom, real quick. Show them the inside. Now I'm in here, of course it's hot outside, and with the doors open, it's comfortable. It's not cool, but it's comfortable. We don't have the AC running. The guys are still playing around with this thing. We got it thrown together. We're putting some extra stuff. I can see already their guys are coming in here and doing stuff. We got a porcelain heater. This is a $300 amenity right here. And as you walk in, see, so me personally, with this bay window, it's almost wide enough to sleep in. You know what? You can almost have a pull-up bench and have your mattress and lay there, pull it back down, and you've got a window seat and your bed's not in the way, but this is the living room, bedroom. Some people are wanting the loft as a sleeping quarters. You can get an egress window up there for $800, but you won't have the reverse gable for the porch overhang over the door. The refrigerator normally goes right here as you come in underneath the countertop, okay? If you put sleeping quarters up there and you want an egress for $800, the water heater will come here, and then your fridge will have to come here. Let me show you a little bit here. And the guys have been working in here, but this thing will fold down, okay? There you got it. So you got a countertop, you want your fridge here, you can leave your countertop up, pull it back up. There you go. All for $15,000. Full bathroom, flushable toilet. Now, if you get the $7,000 solar, you'll get this cabinet right here. It's got the inverter charge controller. I don't think they got any. Yep, they got it in here.
Yeah, I think the battery's upstairs too.
Yep. So, inverter charge controller. Also get some shelves on the side for some storage, right? And the 32-inch shower. Now, the 32-inch shower is from outside to outside. That's how the manufacturer actually measures these. If you went inside here, it's probably looking less than 30 inches, but in a 36-inch shower, it's outside to outside. So we sell a 32 and a 36-inch shower. All right, the sink is a metal sink, right? 17-inch. I think it's what, probably 6 inches deep.
Oh yeah, probably, yeah, 6 to 8.
And it's got a gooseneck faucet. You get the cutting board here to cover up your sinkhole, right? There you got it. Lights,
Slider.
Everything. A sliding window in the bathroom, windows in here, $15,000. Listen, this house will not rust. It won't fall apart. You're looking at these panels. All right, so I came to Tennessee in 1987, and there's a company that were building sheds out of these door panels when I first got here. There are sheds that are still in the same place they were in 1987 when I moved here. and they look exactly like they did, what is that, 30 years ago, 30 plus years ago.
Yeah.
Isn't that something? They look exactly like it. So that's why I grabbed these panels and I'm saying, you know what, this is an economical way of building a home that we can build cheaper than anybody in the country, right? It's durable, it's strong. It's actually, the only thing is, you know, you have these fasteners that you have to contend with. And this is why it's a DIY. Decorate it yourself. You know, if you're somewhat of a carpenter, you can put your wood on here, you can trim it out, you can put slats of wood. People are putting wallpaper. And of course, you know, I have a friend, Wayne, and if he's watching, we want to do a shout out to Wayne. He's a great friend of mine, and he has done sheetrock all his life. He actually came in here and took a Durabond that you get at Home Depot or Lowe's, and it's a powder, it's a quick set, right? You get a pan, and he always took a egg beater and would whip up water in that and get it nice texture, and you want to get it as a real thick pancake batter. You want it kind of thick, like icing. That's what you want, icing. And you take a sheetrock knife, even if you do not know how to do it. You take that sheetrock knife and you go over all the screws and you kind of flare it out. Even if you make a mistake, you can sand it down and make it smooth. He did the whole house and painted it, and it looked like sheetrock. It just, and then, you know, of course, he's a professional. He did it probably about a half a day, but you can cover all this, paint it, and be like sheetrock inside here. So anyway, we have stucco, $15,000, everybody. Tomorrow is our 15th day. We'll let you know what we're going to do, but like I said at the beginning of the video, the first 100 paying customers, their house will be built in October. The second 100 customers, if we extend it on, will be in January, okay? One tidbit I wanted to point out before we say goodbye is that we have customers that we are building homes for, the Incrediboxes that you've ordered, and you are on our build list. We have said this time and time again, that this build list will be completed before we start in October, these right here. They're gonna be done. So we've had people call in and say, hey, you guys are, you know, doing wrong by doing the RJO, and I'm not gonna get my home. We are building 3 houses a day right now. We were gonna do more, but we got so many amenities on these things. We got solar, bay windows, everything. So we're doing 3 complete homes a day. Our list is boom. At the end of October, we start these. You guys will get your house. Anybody that's bought a house, I think in the probably last week on an Incredibox or a cottage, they have been told their house won't be built and start until November. All right, so we're very organized. We got this down. That's the only reason I offered the RJO is because we can do it. We have a factory, we have men, we got supplies, and we have the knowledge and the know-how, and we show you what we do. All right, everybody. I got to show you this guy. Look at him. Look at him. Ah!
Yeah. and we built already. How many have we built? iBoxes.
Oh my gosh, we're including the Grove. I think we're looking at 600 plus.
600.
Yeah, 600 homes plus.
Yeah, I know we've gotten behind a little bit, but 600 plus in what?
Yeah.
A year and 2 months.
Hey, I don't want to say anything because you know Tom and I are pretty competitive, but I wonder how many homes Boxable's built. You know, I mean, I just want to put it out there.
They got 600 yet?
I don't know. From what I hear, they have not, but I don't want to say anything. You know, we're all competitive and everything, but yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Gosh. Hey, everybody, thanks for watching. It's getting hot in here now. We're opening up the windows. And $15,000. First 100 customers, we'll get it in October. And we'll probably extend this over because we're getting a lot. I mean, our phones are banging. 15,000. You can't go anywhere in the country. This thing, now it's got a mini split, and it's got a bay window for 20. If you're gonna buy this, you gotta buy the amenities. And there's 20 other amenities you can get. We got EMPs, we got off-grid, we got solar, we got the porcelain heater. This is $300.
Yeah, I use that in the Honey Shack.
Yeah, especially if you're gonna be, off-grid. These are great to use. It'll run you out of here. So, there you go. Yep, and the loft is an 8x8 loft.
Batteries.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Everybody, thank you so much. Amanda will be with us tomorrow. She had to take off early, but hope you guys enjoy this video. Give us a call.